Well, welcome back to it. Now, we're doing this a little bit different. Normally we just set the camera up on the tripod, go, but this one deserves a little bit of a walk around. I'm usually not the vlogging dork type, but we're gonna try it out this time, just see how it goes. So anyway, see behind me, we still have a little bit of the cracks of lights in the doorway there, but if we go on this wall, no more light left. That's because we've been sealing things up and we're almost done with the building. We have to do the second floor yet for a lot of it. But over here, we have a bunch of framing material. That is from the walls behind me that we have torn down, and that's what we're gonna frame our new wall across the front with. These, let's see, not used to doing this. These 1x10 boards over here, they're gonna get planed down one side, and we're gonna make shiplap out of them so we don't have any gaps and stuff like that. And that's what we're gonna do. And I have come to the decision that Forge, nothing is getting started, no projects until I get this space the way I want it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned, I'll catch you on the other side of it. How you doing, Gus? Boy, huh? What are you doing? Gus? Huh? What are you doing? So we haven't gotten piles of sawdust down here in this first floor in a very long time, but that's about to change because we're going to make some shiplap boards. We'll see how it goes. Maybe it'll be a big pain in the ass, maybe it won't. I'm just using a router with a 1-inch straight bit, a piece of that cutting board as a fence. It won't be perfect, but it'll be better than nothing. So what we're going to do, we're going to plane one side of these down because the other side is going to get covered up, not a big deal. Definitely going to be wearing my dust mask with this one, my respirator, because these are old boards. They have who knows what kind of mold's growing in them and things like that. That's the kind of thing that can make you very, very sick. And I really don't feel like being part of that mess. But anyway, we're all framed out here. We can start getting this done. I can't wait to see how this looks, because that was another design mistake, putting those old nasty boards up there without planing them down, because it just made the space really dark and dingy looking. And we were trying to get away from that building this building. So anyway, here we go. Well, there's a start anyway. We'll keep going. All right, everybody, there's the start of our new forge area walls, or blacksmith shop. I think that looks much better. We'll be able to tell a lot more as we move along with it, but we have enough lumber here to pretty much do what we want. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you on the next one.